Greetings from Las Vegas. Today's going to be a quick one. We are going to install some bar end weights on these Barkbuster handguards. Now, this is not by any means a tutorial because it's one screw on each side to do it. This is more about maybe you have this bike and you're considering adding the bar end weights, but you're thinking, or you want to buy the whole Barkbuster set and you go, do I want to spend the extra money on these things? Well, I'll at least be able to show you what they look like on a Triumph Scrambler 400X. And I didn't get them initially, just they're $70 or $80, something like that. And I thought, I don't know. But it does get a little, you know, it's a thumper, so it gets a little vibratey when it gets up to those higher RPM, especially on if you're taking it on the highway. And I've done a little reading, and people seem to say that the bar end weights do help somewhat with that. So let's show you what we have here. It's simply a 4mm Allen key to remove the bolt from the old one, and then the bar end weights. And they do come with multiple bolts, depending on which Barkbuster set you already have. So these are substantial. They are heavy, which is good because, you know, they're weights. I already pulled out, these are the smaller ones, are the ones that apply to my bike, but they have some other ones as well. So let's, all we're going to be doing is, again, removing the one bolt in the end here and replacing it with the longer bolt that they provide, and put a little thread locker on there, and we're done. So let me reposition the camera and get started. All right, first we remove the previous bar end bolt holding the Barkbusters in place, and if there's enough pressure, nope, be careful not to drop the weights, they're already built in. And just set that to the side for a second and put a little dab of thread lock on there, because a little dab will do you, right? And feed that through the new bar end weight, put the original one back, the spacer in place, feed that through. Get it all lined up. And it's as simple as that, really. I mean, like I said, this isn't so much a how-to as it's a way of showing this is something you want to do or not based on the look and the feedback from other people with regard to just how effective it really is at vibration dampening or helping with vibrations. That's it. So let's do a little bit of I'll move the cart out of the way here. And let me grab the camera. So that's it. Bar end weights from Barkbusters for your Triumph Scrambler 400X. And time will tell. I'll have to take this out in the next week or so on some highway in particular, because that's supposed to be where it's really supposed to be, where it's really supposed to help in those higher RPM areas. So if we do a little stand back, and it's not bad. It's so if you already have the sliders on here, which is also an accessory add-on piece, that's just a piece of plastic, but it kind of completes the look as far as the blacking it out a little bit. I already have the, just before I did this one, I put the other one on the other side here. So that's it for this short simple video of Barkbuster bar end weights on a 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was somewhat helpful in your decision as to whether or not you want to get these things or not. And if you'd like to be notified of future videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you watching all the way to the end on this little one. And until next time, drive carefully and come back soon.